I need this in my life. Hey, ELOC Nation. Happy Juneteenth. This is a quickie today. I came across some information and thought I'd share it with you all. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. What if I told you the secret to better brain health could be hiding in your spice rack or your garden? This video, I'm harvesting rosemary and sharing some amazing benefits. Not only is rosemary beautiful, not only does it smell amazing, it has some remarkable health benefits. If you're into medicinal herbs, keep watching. Rosemary aids in digestion, immune system, it's anti-inflammatory, has antioxidant properties, hair growth, stress relief, pain relief, brain health. We can go on and on. While rosemary is generally considered safe, it's always good to consult with your healthcare professional before using it, as well as any other herbs for medicinal purposes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. I need this in my life. Why wait until I need it? Prevention. Think rosemary is just about flavoring your roast? Think again. This humble herb just might hold the key to a healthier brain. New research is suggesting it could help fight Alzheimer's disease. From their study, researchers found a new compound which was designed as an oral medication that could one day hopefully help treat Alzheimer's disease. This compound is derived from carnosic acid, a natural antioxidant found in rosemary as well as sage, which is already known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors strongly linked to Alzheimer's progression in previous studies. Carnosic acid works by activating enzymes in the body's natural defense system. In its purest state, this acid is too unstable to serve as a viable drug therapy. However, they managed to create a stable form using the compound, which they noted once consumed converts to carnosic acid in the gut and then is absorbed into the bloodstream. I think this information is fascinating. Smells amazing. I cook with rosemary all the time to add flavor to my meals. I'm just so excited to be learning about all of these wonderful benefits that herbs have, and the fact that I'm growing them right here at home is just amazing. I hope you all got something out of this, just like I did. I'm going to be drinking lots of rosemary tea. I'd much rather use it and not need it than needed it and never used it. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.